Hello everyone, this is Akib Javed. Welcomes you all on Pably. So guys, in this video you are going to learn how to send your party equipment's rental plan brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp automatically. So guys, before I start explaining to you how we are going to do this, let me tell you why you should watch this video. So guys, if you are into the business of providing rental equipments for parties and functions, this video can help you a lot. It will improve your customers' relationships, it will improve your productivity, your sales and your profits. Okay, so let me begin. So suppose that you are into a business of providing rental equipments and stuff that are used in parties and functions, and you have created a Facebook page to promote your business and to connect with wider audiences, and in that page you are running Facebook lead ads to generate more leads and to convert them into customers, right? So whenever any interested visitor visits your page and they like your business and they click on your Facebook lead ad, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. Okay, so whenever they fill that form and submit that form, you are going to generate a new lead, and you want to provide that lead the brochure or the rental plan of your business on their WhatsApp accounts, right? Now to get this done, you have two ways. One is that as and when you generate a new lead from Facebook page with the help of Facebook lead ad forms, you are going to manually sort out the details of that lead, then come to WhatsApp here and manually type a message for that lead and attach your brochure or rental plan and send your brochure to the lead on WhatsApp, right? But guys, if you are receiving hundreds of leads on daily basis, this manual process can consume a lot of your time and energy. So we have a better way for you. What if I tell you that as and when a new lead got generated from Facebook lead ads, a WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to that lead along with your rental plan or brochure. Yes guys, this can happen, and to make this happen I am using a software here called as Pably Connect. So guys, Pably Connect is an integration and automation software, and the best part of making this automation guys is that you will not require any coding skills or programming knowledge. And what Pably Connect will do, it will connect these two applications together such that whenever a new lead got generated, the WhatsApp message get automatically delivered to the lead along with your business's brochure. So now let me give you a demo on my screen of how this connection or automation between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp is going to work in real time. So guys, this is my computer screen, and here you can see I have created this Facebook page for my business in which I am supplying the party products on rent. Okay, so this is the page I have created to market my business, to gain more customers and to gain more visibility. Okay, so in this page I am running the Facebook lead ads. So whenever any interested person visits our page and click on any of our ads, a Facebook lead ad form will open up. I'll show you. So this is the form attached with this lead ad, party rental form. Okay, and it will something look like this. So whenever someone fills this form here, we want to share with this lead that we have generated the brochure of our business or the rental plan on his or her WhatsApp account here, right? So I will show you. I'm going to fill this form here in front of you, and we will see if the WhatsApp account of this lead that we are going to generate receives the message from our side or not. So I'm filling the name as Diba, let's say Hanifi, and the number. Okay, let me fill. So I have filled the name and the number. Now I'm clicking on next here and submit. Okay, so you can see it is saying thanks, you are all set, and it is showing your test lead has been sent. So we have generated a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Now we will check the WhatsApp account of the lead here, that if it receives any message from our side or not. So Facebook uses polling technique to use the date to send the data. So it might take 3 to 4 minutes to get the message here on WhatsApp. So we are going to wait for 3 to 4 minutes, and then we'll check if this WhatsApp account of our lead receives the message from our side or not. So guys, you can see we have received a new message here on WhatsApp. Let's check what is in the message. Okay, so the message is this. It is saying, hello Deeba Hanifi, thank you for showing your interest in party stuff rental service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message, where you can find all the services which we offer in our party rental store. Okay, and here is the link of the brochure attached. Let me open this also. So you can see here's a PDF file attached, and this is the brochure or the rental plan of our business for delivering the party equipments on rent. Okay, so this is how it is going to happen. So now you guys are wondering how I managed to bring this message here without any manual typing or compilation of this message, just by filling a lead ad form here, and you can see the message is delivered automatically here in the WhatsApp account of the lead. Okay, so let me give you the easiest possible steps by which you can also make this automation or integration between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So guys, these are the 3 easy steps by which you can also make this integration or connection between your Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp. So step 1 is connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first of all, we are going to open Pabbly Connect and open our Facebook lead ad with Pabbly Connect. And step 2 is collect the data from Facebook lead ads in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so in second step, we'll generate a new lead and we'll bring the data of that lead from Facebook lead ads to here in Pabbly Connect. And step 3 is send the rental plan brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So finally, we are going to send the rental plan brochure to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on his or her WhatsApp account. And to do this, we are going to use another application which is called 360 dialog. So I will tell you what 360 dialog is later on in this video. First of all, let's jump to our step 1 and open Pabbly Connect. So in your internet browser, search for PABBLY, that is pabbly.com. So this is the landing page of Pabbly. From here, you have to put your cursor on this products option and click on Pabbly Connect. Okay, now from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking here on sign up free button. So I have already made one free account, so I'm going to click on sign in directly. Now from this all apps section of Pabbly, you will find this Pabbly Connect panel. So from here, click on this access now button. So this will bring you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. And to start working here, you have to create workflows like this. Okay, so to create a workflow, you just have to click here on create workflow button, and here you have to give a relevant name to your workflow. So you can give any name. Let me fill the name here. So I have filled the name as party rental plan brochure to Facebook leads on WhatsApp. Okay, now click on create here. And as and when your workflow get created, you will see these things, the trigger and the action. So Pabbly Connect work on these things. The trigger says when this happens, action says Pabbly Connect, please do this. Alright, as in our use case, the trigger would be is to generate a new lead from Facebook, and the action would be is to send the rental plan brochure to the lead on WhatsApp account, right? So first of all, you have to click here on this trigger window, and from this choose app, you have to choose your application as Facebook lead ads, this one. Okay, now click on this trigger event and select new lead option, and then click on connect. Okay, from this window you have to select add new connection option and click on connect with Facebook lead ads. So you can see, as I have already logged in, it will get automatically connected like this. Okay, so now it is asking for the page's name and the lead generation form's name. So this is my Facebook page and the name of the page is party stuff on rent. So I'm going to select this page from this field. So when I click here, you will see it will show me a list of all the pages that I have created for various reasons. So from here I can search for my page, which is this party stuff on rent, this one, and I'm going to select it. Okay, and you can see the lead generation form is automatically selected here, and it is showing only one option because we have only one form here attached in the lead ad. You can see party stuff on rent and the form is party rental. So this form is selected here like this. Okay. Now when I click here on save and send test request, the data of the most recent lead will be captured here in Pabbly Connect. Okay, so I'll show you how it is going to be done. So I'm going to generate a new lead from this Facebook lead ad form, and we will capture the data of that lead here. So I have opened my Facebook lead ad form again, and let us fill this form again with a different name. Let's say the name here is Anurag Jain. Okay, and let me fill the number also. Right, now I'm going to click on next here and submit, and you can see it is saying thanks, you're all set, and your test lead has been sent. So we have generated a new lead from Facebook lead ads. Now let's capture the data of this lead here in Pabbly Connect. So I'm clicking on save and send test request, and it will capture the data of this lead that we have just generated like this. You can see Anurag Jain and all other details like this. So the first two steps are completed. We have connected the Facebook lead ad and capture the data of the lead also. Now let me show you the next step. So our next and the final step is send the rental plan brochure to lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. Okay. So now we are going to send our business brochure to the person whose data we have captured here in Pabbly Connect on the WhatsApp account of the person, and to do this we are going to use this application which is called 360 dialog. So now I will tell you what 360 dialog is and how we are going to use it. So now in Pabbly Connect you have to click on this action window, and from this choose app you have to choose the application as 360 dialog, this one. Okay, so now you guys are wondering why we are using this application. Guys, actually to send messages on WhatsApp directly, we must have the access of WhatsApp's chat API. So guys, 360 dialog is an application which have the official access of WhatsApp's chat API. So by using this application, we can send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so now in this action event, click here on and select send template message option, and then click on connect. Okay. Now from this window, select this add new connection option if you are making the connection for the first time. So when you make the connection with 360 dialog for the first time, it will ask for this API key and the domain name. And to find these things, we have to go to your 360 dialog account. Okay. So let me show you the process. So I am here in my 360 dialog account. You can also set up your own 360 dialog account just like this. And to do that, I suggest you to use the link that we have pasted in the description so that you can avail the services of 360 dialog in very affordable prices, right? So here I'm going to click on this WhatsApp accounts page. And in this page, you can see here this button saying generate API key. So by clicking on this generate API key button, you can generate your own API key. Then copy that key and paste it here in this API key field in Pabbly Connect. Okay. And while generating the key, you will get a domain which will look like this link. So generally the link is this only. So you can paste this link here. And after pasting both of these things, you have to click on save here and you will be connected with 360 dialog account. Okay. So guys, generating the API key is one-time task only. Once you generate a key for yourself, you can use the same key to make connection afterwards also with Pabbly Connect. Okay. And the process of making the connection for the first time is this. Once you made a connection by this process, again, if you want to make the connection, you can choose this existing connection option also. As I have made a connection with 360 dialog before with this process in a different workflow. So I'm going to choose this existing connection option also and now I just have to click on save and you will see that we will be connected. Okay, so connected is showing up here. So we are connected with 360 dialog. Now it is asking for the template. So guys, let me tell you what templates are. So I'm going to my 360 Dialog account again, and here I'm going to click on manage templates button. So guys, these are the templates we have in 360 Dialog. Let me open one for you. So guys, this is a template, and these are nothing but the messages that we want to send on WhatsApp. Okay. So to prevent spamming in WhatsApp, you have to create such standard message templates here in 360 Dialog first. So to create a message template, you have to click here on add template button. And here you have to give a name to your template in this name field. Then from here you have to select the category of your template. Then from here you have to select the language in which you want to send the message. Okay. And from here you have to select the templates type. And in this body field here you have to type the main message that you want to send. Okay. After filling these things, just click here on preview and submit, and your template will be submitted. Okay. And after getting your template submitted, what will happen? WhatsApp's parent company, that is Facebook, will review your template and approve your templates. Okay. So once you got your templates approved like these I have, you can use those templates to send messages on WhatsApp directly. Okay, so in Pabbly Connect, it is asking which template I want to use. So when I click here, you will see a list. So this is the list of all the approved templates I have in 360 Dialog. And the template I am using is this Send Brochure Final. Okay. So I'm going to select this template here. So after selecting the template, this namespace field and the language code get automatically filled. And then it is asking for the recipient's mobile number. Right, so here you have to enter the WhatsApp number of the person whose data you have captured here in second step, this person, this lead. Okay, so to get the number here, you just have to click on this field and then click on Facebook lead ads option and select the number from here only, like this. Okay, then it is asking for this body field 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let me show you what are these body fields. So I am in my 360 Dialog account, and here I am opening my template again. So this is my template, and here you can see in the message we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in double curly braces here. So guys, these are the body fields or the variables we have in our message template. Okay, as you can see, after hello, we are going to put the name of the lead. That is going to change with every new message, right? And thank you for showing your interest in. So if you have more than one business page or more than one business, or if you want to use the same template for different purposes, this can also change. Okay, similarly here we are going to put the services name. So if you have more than one services, this can also change. So guys, these are the things which needs to be filled which needs to be changed with every new message. And to get these body fields filled automatically in a new message, you have to map the values of these body fields here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So let us say in the first body field where we want to enter the name. So you just have to click here, click on Facebook lead ads option and map the name from here only, like this. Okay. So similarly, you can also fill all other fields, body fields. For example, let's say in the fourth body field, we want to enter the link of the brochure that we want to send. Okay. So here is my brochure, you can see, and this brochure is in my Google Drive. So I'm going to click here on this share option, and you will see this copy link option. So I'm going to copy the link and paste the link here in this fourth body field, like this. Okay. So the things that can be entered manually, you can enter manually, and the things which needs to be mapped can be mapped like this. Okay. So let me fill all other body fields. So guys, I have filled all other body fields also. And now when I click here on save and send test request, this data that we have filled will be delivered according to our message template here on the WhatsApp account of our lead, which is Anurag Jain. Okay. So I'm going to click here on save and send test request. And you can see it start showing this type of response, and we have received a new message also, and the message is this: hello Anurag Jain, thank you for showing your interest in party stuff online. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure. And here you can see in places of these body fields, we have this data which we have entered here in these body fields option here in Pabbly Connect, right? So our connection with WhatsApp is working fine. Now let me give you a quick recap what we have done here. So first of all, in this trigger option, we connected Facebook lead ads, and we selected the page and collected the data of the new lead here like this. After that, in this action window, we selected 360 dialog application to send messages on WhatsApp, and then we selected the template and filled the required body fields to send the message. And when I click here on save and send test request, you have seen the message is here, right? Now the workflow is completed. Just click on save. And let me tell you one more important thing, that is you can make this workflow or automation run 100 times in a month with the help of Pabbly Connect's free account. Because Pabbly Connect's free account provides you 100 free tasks for every new month. So if 100 tasks are sufficient for you, you can use Pabbly Connect for free forever. Also, we are going to paste the link of the same workflow in the description so that you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using that instant. So guys, this is it for today's video. If you want any other type of integration, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. You can ask your queries and discuss it from this forum, and check the pricing of this software from this link. And guys, as we did today, you can make many different type of integrations using many different softwares by Pabbly Connect and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. So guys, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching this video.